just leaves us one more segment after this guy. So you know how to make the movement. We've already gone off to the right, back to the left. Inhale, exhale. Off to the left, inhale, exhale, back to the right. Now, the next portion is to simply step right. Boom. We're gonna make this movement forward, back, inhale, exhale. That's it. Super simple. That's an entire portion of the form. So we went right, back, left, back, and then this step to the right is just doing this one once and around. So if you know how to do that movement, that puts us into the very last little segment of the form. Now, of course, we're going to be stepping left, right? We just went to the right, so we've got to step left on this one. And this is it's a variation, it's a slightly new version of something we already know how to do. So we're going to be opening up the drapes like we know how already. Open, but we want to turn to the left. So we're going to open up, my weight is on the left leg, my foot is turning in, because this leg is basically light. My foot turns in, I step back, and I'm ready here. I'm going to do that one for you facing forward. So here we are. Step, open. Now I'll take my hand, turn the toes, right? This leg is light and my hip turns. That's really important that this comes from a hip turn. And we're here. Now, this is easy to remember because you know you have to turn left. Somehow you're going to get there. This is how. I'm going to do this the other way for you so you can mirror me. So you can mirror the computer. You'll sink onto the right leg, step out, and open. Now your weight is on the left leg. That leaves your right toes free to lift up and to turn from your whole hip in, and then you can step back. Cool, makes sense? So you're out, that leaves this part free to come back, and you're ready, you're all primed up here, you're all primed up to punch under the elbow. So this right hand is here, it's solid. The left hand is here, and you'll step and punch. Let's do that a couple times. So you will look like this. After opening up, the right toes turn in. You step back. Here, the left hand is out. The right hand is already in a fist, and you'll punch forward. Step back. I'll reverse so you can see my hand. Mirror. Punch under the elbow, back. Punch under the elbow, back. Notice we're pretty much just holding ourselves here and stepping. That's how this works. Just step. All right, very nice. Just step. Awesome. So here we go. One time reversed. We're gonna open up, open, turn to the left, and back. Open up, in, turn, back. And then you can step forward, follow for the punch. We'll do it this way. Step, open, turn, back. I'm ready to punch. Excellent. Now, this is a little bit of a mind twist from this move because we're essentially going to be making a cross. When we get to here, and yes, you do want to get this fresh in your memory, get this so that you easily remember. You have to turn left. You just inhaled and exhaled. You step out. We're turning to the left. We just twist the hips to the left, and everything else kind of happens for us. We're light back here. Step forward, punch under the elbow. Now, from here, you're going to step in, right? This is left, and we're going to step in this triad of directions. So one that way, and one forward. So everybody with me, go that way, point forward. This way, forward. This way, forward. That's so cool. I just saw a roseate spoonbill fly right over my head. Okay, so here we are. We've just punched under the elbow. Now you're gonna have to turn away from your computer. I'm sorry, but that's just the way it goes. Lift. This is the move we already know how to do. We step to the left, push, and follow. Now the easy way of doing this is to just turn back. All right, we're all lined up. You facing the same direction as I am? Left hand comes up. Step to the right. Push, follow. Like we already know how to do. Stay here for a minute. Right hand comes up. Step to the left. Brush, push, follow. And then we're gonna do the move we just learned. Back, forth, around, and forward, follow. And guess what? With that, you are all done at the end of the form. That's it. So this is like the last little burst, the grand finale, as you might call it. And it's really not that difficult. Again, it's a repeating move. So there's one new thing that we have here. The one new thing is from the beginning, we step out, open, turn to the left, just whip your hips to the left, make sure the toe comes with you, and then bring this front foot light. This is a stance, this little cat stance we know. The right hand is primed for the punch, the left hand is up. We step forward, punch forward, and then from here, rock back, step left. Notice 90 degree, I'm stepping all the way left, push, turn, go right, push, go left, and then we rotate around and serve the pizza. Forward, back around, forward, inhale, exhale. Now don't get too onto yourselves about the minutia right now. Maybe. If it's feeling like this is impossible, just get the major feeling of it, right? The first part of the form, as we just learned, is we go right, we come back left. We go left, we come back to the right. We go left, and there's this little guy. We go right, and there's some kind of a turn thing and a cross. So it's left, right, left, pizza, and turn. Right? That might take you a couple days, it might take you a week, it might take you a month, I don't know, to just get the general feeling of that. But once you know where you're going, everything else falls into place. Then you can start to memorize the little, all right, little front step. Actually, hopefully those little follows are just coming naturally now, where you can just boom, in. Okay, where do I go from here? I gotta go that way, so, right, let me rock back and go. All right, I gotta go the opposite direction. It's that move that we're always doing. Now I'm going to go this way. pizza. That's right. Okay, something about a pizza, and then we're back. I would much rather have you get that down, make that nice and free, where you've got all those directions taken care of, and then you can work on the minutia. So